Recently, we talked to you guys about being lazy and staying clean. What if you could be lazy and even cleaner than clean? That's right. In this episode, we're going to talk about a robot pool cleaner on steroids. Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and we're gonna be checking out the Seagull 1000 from Aper. That's right, I said 1000. As you know, we recently reviewed the Seagull 600. This is the big boy version, if you wanna say the papa to the sun. That's right, the Seagull 1000 is much more efficient, has a bigger battery, and hits a larger pull radius. Staying clean is so easy, just use a robot. But here we go. We're gonna dive into the unboxing and show some of the specifications and features for you guys. But before we do that, make sure you click subscribe and check that notification bell so that you get all of our videos emailed to you and right there on YouTube. Ready to go.
This is the Seagull 1000. This is a much bigger unit than the previous ones we've had, which were fantastic, by the way. So let's get this one open and see what we get out of the box. On top, we have our lovely piece of graphic paper. Then we've got our paperwork, some parts, and charging adapter. We'll get the protective cardboard off, and then we have the Rockstar unit itself, the Seagull 1000. There we go. What a unit. Look at this thing. So we have got ports here everywhere. Oh yeah. Inside of our bag is the charging adapter, some fins, and a rope with a handle on it, which I'm sure is how we will get it out of the pool. A brush, and of course the user manual, which we will definitely be diving into to get this thing working. Floating handle, yes, so the handle does float, and that is how we will fish it out of the pool. Once you lift the unit up, you can see the motor and everything underneath with the jet. That will be picking up your trash and through the bottom of the unit right here. Then be filtered out with the screen with the Aper Seagull 1000 right on top. Running the floor of your pool, doing all the cleaning so you don't have to. And that is everything you get right out of the box. Let's get the unit charged up and go clean the pool.
The Seagull 1000 has efficient cleaning. With the powerful dual drive motors, which are about 50 watts, the Seagull 1000 above ground pool cleaner effortlessly transverses the pool bottom and can climb and incline up to 15 degrees. The cordless pool vacuum pulls in all kinds of foreign matter, from debris to insects to small stones and leaves, up to 5.5 feet. The unit also has an independent brush on the bottom, ensuring a meticulous cleaning of your pool. That's right, meticulous. We're using words that mean shiny, perfect, grand, can't even make up a new word that's better than meticulous. Fast moving and long run time with the 52.5 feet per 16 meters a minute movement speed. Our cordless pool cleaner quickly cleans the entire floor of pools, perfect for above ground pools up to 35 feet diameter and in-ground pools with flat floors up to 75 by 50 feet. The large capacity 5,000 milliamp rechargeable battery lasts up to 90 minutes, providing non-stop cleaning after 4 to 6 hours of charging. It's cordless and hassle-free, so there's no need to connect a power cable or to deal with the messy pull hoses and their attachments. This robotic pool cleaner is completely cordless and does not require the use of your pool filter to operate. This Aiper pool cleaner for above ground pool will take care of everything, and it's a revolution in pool cleaning. Low battery detection and self-parking technology is built right in. The Seagull 1000 pool vacuum for above ground and in-ground pools will park near the pool wall when the battery is low or after completing a cleaning cycle for easy retrieval. Easily remove the pool cleaner from the pool with the included floating rope. No need to get in the water or to get wet. That's right, you don't have to swim to clean your pool. It's as easy as turn on the robot vacuum and it clean it for you. Then you pull it out with a string. So, who is Aiper? They're the pioneer in cordless robotic pool vacuums. Aiper adheres to using our expertise to provide pool cleaners with a hassle-free, smart and simple pool cleaning solution. Comes with a 1-year warranty and worry-free customer service. Let your robot do the dirty work and get your weekends back. That's right. So, how to be lazy on steroids basically, right? The Seagull 600 is phenomenal and the Seagull 1000 is the big boy version of it. So depending on the size of pool you have or how much of a battery you need and runtime you need, there you go. You got two options, people. But we want to give a huge shout out to Aiper for sponsoring this video and sending us the Seagull 1000. Phenomenal product, great design, and it works. Clean your pool without getting wet. Well, make sure to let us know in the comments below, no matter where you're watching, what you thought. And again, don't forget to click subscribe or follow wherever you're watching us. And if there's a bell, click it for notifications so that we show up in your email. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you guys in the next review.